Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Robinhood to buy Solana on Phantom. This tutorial will walk you through the step-by-step process of purchasing Solana using Robinhood and transferring it to your Phantom wallet. First, you need to have a Robinhood account. If you don't have one, sign up for an account by providing the required information and completing the verification process. Once your account is set up, navigate to the cryptocurrency section and search for Solana. Click on the buy button and enter the amount you want to purchase. Next, you need to have a Phantom wallet. If you don't have one, download the Phantom extension from the official website and set it up by following the instructions. Create a new wallet or restore an existing one using your seed phrase. After purchasing Solana on Robinhood, you need to transfer it to your Phantom wallet. To do this, go to the cryptocurrency section on Robinhood and click on the transfer button. Select Solana as the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and enter the address of your Phantom wallet. Before initiating the transfer, make sure you have the correct address. You can find the address by opening your Phantom wallet and clicking on the Receive button. Copy the address and paste it into the transfer section on Robinhood. Once you have entered the correct address, review the transfer details and confirm the transaction. The transfer may take a few minutes to complete, depending on the network congestion. After the transfer is complete, you can verify that the Solana has been received in your Phantom wallet by checking your balance. You can also view the transaction history to confirm that the transfer was successful. It is essential to note that transferring cryptocurrency from one platform to another may incur fees. Make sure you understand the fees associated with the transfer before initiating it. In conclusion, buying Solana on Robinhood and transferring it to your Phantom wallet is a straightforward process. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can easily purchase and transfer Solana to your Phantom wallet. Always make sure to double-check the address and transaction details before confirming the transfer to avoid any errors.